Alrighty, I'm going to deal today with one of the more confusing visuals that we see in the game, where the divot flies. We stand about 27 inches on the inside of the ball. Here I've got my 8 irons, so that's roughly the distance I stand on the inside of the ball. I used to measure that all the time when I first started learning the game. Get my tape measure out on the members I was teaching to try and learn about it. So, I've stood about over here. I set myself up the ball, therefore the swing takes place on the plane around my body here. We don't swing the club in a perfectly straight line. I put the iPad right down on a long bit of timber on the side of my deck in here, which forms a perfectly straight line, imaginary to my target. As I swing the club into the ball, it attacks that straight line from the inside. I make contact with the ball cleanly, hopefully cleanly. So I make contact. If I hit the ball from the inside, it's a round object, it starts to the right of target and then hopefully will draw back into the target. But my divot takes place after that ball's already flown. So by the time I hit from the inside here and that ball starts right of target, I then make contact with the ground afterwards, and of course the divot should fly straight or slightly left because I've made contact. We swing on an arc around the body. Inside, clean strike to the ball flies. And that's where we get that great photograph of the ball seemingly starting right of target when the pros play. I then make contact with the ground, and by this time the arc of my club head is moving straight to the target and to the left of target. So oftentimes you'll see a divot flying one way and a ball flying the other. It seems confusing, but if you break it down to 0.000 of a second, impact comes from the inside with the ball, impact with the ground comes from a straight line going to the inside over here. Divot that way, ball that way. Good luck.